For this video, we'll be going over Utthita Parsvakonasana, which in English translates to extended side angle. So it's the same stance that we've been having with Warrior 2, with Triangle Pose, Trikonasana, same thing. Back foot, in this case my left foot, is parallel with the back of my mat. With your extended side angle, it's the same stance as Warrior 2 in terms of leg placement. And then, so instead of our Warrior 2 arms out like so, with extended side angle, you're placing your right hand down similar almost to your triangle, except your front arm or your top arm is reaching overhead. So it's a really, allow me to get deeper. So it's a deep bend into the front knee. Your bottom arm, in this case my right arm, is lengthening downwards towards the floor. And then my left arm, my top arm, is lengthening towards the top corner of the room. So I'm lengthening through my left fingertips, and I'm lengthening through the outer edge of my left foot, the pinky edge. So it's a very active shape. Again, it helps to engage the core. Strong core, strong shape, strong stability. So again, I'm lengthening outwards, my right knee stacked on top of my ankle. And then for variations, again, what I mentioned in the other one, we can challenge it with a Y shape with both arms. So when you're taking your Y, as I call it in class, you open up your chest, look underneath your left armpit, and bend deeper into your right leg. It's very active. As you can hear, I'm sort of losing my breath because it's tiring. And then another variation is a half bind. So you can reach your left arm behind your lower back. So again, finding that half bind. Or if you want a full bind, you reach your other arm, your right arm, underneath your right leg. And I'm interlacing my hands behind my lower back. Deeper bend into my right knee, and I open up my chest to the left. So this is a bind in extended side angle. Nice. And then to come out of it, just release it, reverse your triangle, give your quad a little bit of a break, and then find a wide-legged forward fold.